What's up, guys? This is Vinay and welcome to Set Up to Win, where we help get your life to that next level. When you're evaluating various investments, one of the main things to look at is return on investment, also known as ROI. So what is a good ROI? For some people, it's 5% per year, and for others, it might be 10% or even 20%. But what if I told you that there's a way for you to get an infinite return on investment? Investing in real estate, specifically rental properties, is a solid strategy to build wealth. If you plan things out right, you can build up equity over time, realize some nice capital appreciation, enjoy some cash flow, and also take advantage of some tax advantages via depreciation. But let's look at a way where you could take this solid strategy and turn it into an elite strategy where you can earn an infinite return on your money. The BRRRR strategy is used by savvy real estate investors all over the world. BRRRR stands for buy, rehab, rent, refinance, and repeat. Let's go through an example of how it works. Let's say that you find a distressed property, meaning that the property hasn't been maintained that well over the years. Maybe it might require some things to be fixed, like a new roof or some plumbing issues. Or maybe it's just outdated. This would be an opportunity to renovate the property with a refinished kitchen, new flooring, a new paint job, or whatever it takes to make the property pop a little more and increase its value. But you need to be careful here. You don't want to overdo it. Understand the neighborhood you're in. For example, you don't want to invest into fancy things like granite countertops or fancy chandeliers if those things don't fit the neighborhood. Remember, this is a business and you only want to invest where there will be an ROI on your invested capital. So you might be improving the property through some combination of fixes and cosmetic updates. Let's say you buy a property for $100,000. You put in 25% or $25,000 as a down payment. Here you have a few options. You can get a traditional mortgage through a bank to finance the remaining $75,000. Or you can do something called a hard money loan, which means you have an individual investor who will finance that remaining $75,000. And because the property needs to be fixed up, you invest another $10,000 into the property to bring it to rent-ready condition. After you've completed your renovations, you're able to rent the property out for $1,300 a month. At this point, you've renovated the property to make it rent ready and have succeeded in renting it out. Now you can go to the bank and get a new appraisal on the property. Let's say you get the house appraised for $150,000. This $150,000 is called the after repair value, or ARV. You go to the bank and do something called a cash out refinance, which is basically replacing your original loan with a new loan. And because you've increased the value of the property so much, this new loan will pay off the old loan, the rehab costs, and also allow you to pocket some extra cash. With the cash out refinance, you can do a 75% loan to value or LTV refi, which would work as follows. 75% times the value of the house, or $150,000, minus the $75,000 to pay off the old loan, which would leave you with $37,500. So you're able to pocket $37,500. With this money, you can repay yourself the $25,000 down payment along with the $10,000 you spent in rehabbing the property. And you have another $2,500 left over. Whenever you refinance, you have closing costs such as an appraisal fee, broker fees, loan processing fees, and things like that. So that extra $2,500 can go towards covering these transaction costs. Again, you are able to rent the place out for $1,300 a month. And let's say you get a 4% 30-year fixed rate mortgage, and you have $200 a month in property taxes and about $85 a month in insurance expenses. Your monthly mortgage payment, which includes principal, interest, tax, and insurance, will be right around $820 a month. So you will clear about $480 a month. And let's be careful and account for vacancy and repairs and round it down to $400 a month in cash flow. So there you have it. You are earning $400 a month in passive income without having any money invested in the deal. And now that you have your money back, you can find a new property and repeat the process. Reviewing the strategy, this is how the BRRRR strategy was implemented. You bought the property for $100,000, putting $25,000 down. You rehabbed it with a $10,000 budget. You rented it out for $1,300 a month. You refinanced based on an ARV of $150,000 and were able to recover your down payment and rehab budget. Now that you have your money back to you, you can repeat the process with another house. So because you have all your invested capital back, you have no money in the deal. Yet, you are earning a return with the cash flow. And that's how you achieve infinite returns. And as a bonus, if you planned it out right, your property will appreciate as well. Please comment below with any thoughts or questions you might have about the BRRRR strategy. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and of course subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.